Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at a sonic toothbrush that was gifted to me by the company. It has 5 brushing modes. I just want to show you a little bit about this, what it looks like. There's different colors available, different configurations, but this is a really nice toothbrush. Let me just show you what it looks like. This is how it comes, just like this here. It's rechargeable with a USB cable that comes with the kit. It comes with a mount that you can actually mount it on the wall. Easy to hook up. I'll show you that in a minute. Comes with 6 toothbrushes and 2 in here, so you get 8 toothbrushes total. It's 5 different brushing modes. This one is pink. This is really cool. Comes in a pink case, just like you see here. Let me open up the case and just show you what it looks like before we get into the details of it. Let me just show you what it looks like. This is how it comes. You can see the detail of it. It has like a rose gold button accent around here, around the pink. Like I said, 5 different brushing modes. Also, it does come with brushes that are inside the case as well, so you can take these with you. As you can see how they look. Let me just put this on here, just give you an idea. This is how the toothbrush looks. You can see, I want you to look at that rose gold accent. It's really kind of nice. Hopefully you can see that. It's like it has 5 different modes. It fits in the toothbrush. It has a holder, the manual. So let me just go over some of the modes with you. Look at the book real quickly. I'm going to show you, I'll talk to you about the modes. I was playing with this toothbrush a little bit today. It's really kind of cool. It really works well. So we have 5 different modes. Let's go with them. So it has a whitening mode. It has a cleaning mode. It has a sensitive mode. I think that's very important. Sensitive teeth, that's the big deal. A polishing mode to polish your teeth. That's important. And a massaging mode. So it has full feedback. It says and the instructions are actually really clear and very clean. So I like that. That's a really good feature. So what's awesome about this toothbrush is that it's 3 hours to charge it. And it lasts 120 days. Let me repeat that. 3 hours to charge and lasts 120 days. That is amazing technology built into this toothbrush. Again, it has a ton of heads. It gives you 8 heads total, which is amazing. Let me just show you some of the heads. There are some other ones that come in. They're all branded, all pink. They all match, which is super nice. They come off easy to clean, easy to put on. And let me just show you the different modes here. So that's that mode there. You can hear that. Another one. It's a pulsing. So that's like I would say that's like a massaging mode. Again, it has all the different options. Really cool. Let me just take this paper off here. I want you to see here. On the charging, here is the button here. Hopefully you can see that right there. So when you turn it on, it is green. In different modes. You can see the green goes on. So when that turns red, the green here, when that turns red, you have to charge it. So simple as that. So it's good feedback. The USB plugs in the bottom right here. Let me just show you that real quick. This plugs in the bottom. Plug it into any USB, plug it into your phone, plug it into your, most outlets today even come with USB chargers. So that's really nice. So let me just show you one more thing before we wrap this up. It does come with a 2-way sticky tape to attach this to your wall in your bathroom. Easy to install. This is a little bracket. This goes on here. Let me just show you that. This snaps on here, and then these hold the toothbrush in place. These go on just like that there. Let me just show you that one. And this one just snaps on this one here, like you see. Just like that. And then you just put your toothbrush in and tighten it up like that. And that holds your toothbrush while it's charging, just like that. So you can see. And then you just plug it in the bottom. There's the hole. And that's how you charge your toothbrush. So that's cool. That's convenient. I think this is a really nice product. I actually like it quite a bit. Close this up a little bit tighter if you want to. You can make it as tight as you want. Snap that tight. You can see that's going to hold. And now you got the 2-way tape. You stick it to your bathroom or anywhere you want, and you're good to go. So definitely highly recommend this. Definitely if you're looking for a portable sonic clean teeth type of toothbrush to keep you with 5 different modes and a good, easy manual, 3 hours of charging and 120 days of use. Highly recommend this one. Grab this one now. I think this is one of the best deals, and this pink one is really very popular right now. Very popular. My wife's keeping this one. She wants one, and she's going to keep this one. This is a nice one. Definitely highly recommend it. If you love it, definitely go for it now, because I'm not sure how long it's going to last, but these are a nice thing. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your time as always.